So here the question is power of 3. Given an integer, write a function to determine its power of 3. For input 27, it gives true result. For input 0, it gives false result. For input 9, it gives true result. Because 9 belongs to the power of 3, here 0 does not belong to the power of 3 and 27 belongs to the power of 3 and 45 does not belong to the power of 3. So in order to solve this question, open your IDE and here we define a function that is def test, in which we pass the input number, that is n. Here in example second, for input 0 it gives false result. So here we can write if n is equal to 0, print false. It is also true that those numbers which are less than 0 are also give false result. So here we write n less than equal to 0, print false. For further checking of the number, here we take the while loop and here we divide the number until the remainder becomes 0. So here we write while n mod 3 is equal to 0. Here while loop check whether the number is divisible by 3, it gives remainder 0 or not. And then here we divide the number by 3 again and again. Here we write n is equal to n divided by 3. Let's take the example of 27. Here 27 divided by 3, it gives 9 result. Then 9 is divided by 3, it gives 3 result. Then 3 is again divisible by 3 and it gives 1 result. So at last it gives 1 if it is belong to the power of 3. If it is not belong to the power of 3, it does not give 1 as a result. So here we write if n is equal to 1, so it belongs to the power of 3. So here we write print true. Otherwise it gives false as a result. So here the whole code. Let's pass the number. So here we write test and here we pass the first number 27 and then run the code. It gives true result. And then here we pass 0, run the code, it gives false result because 0 does not belong to the power of 3. And here we write 9 and then run the code and here it gives true result. Then we pass 45 and then run the code, it gives false result. So this is the whole code for the determining the power of 3. So in order to solve this question, here we write if n is less than equal to 0, it gives false as a result. So here we return false because is power of 3 is a function. Here we check the number by while loop while n mod 3 equal to 0 and then we divide the number n is equal to n divided by 3 again and again. This statement also decrease the value of n. Here we write if n is equal to 1, return true, return true. Otherwise it return false. And then we run the code. Your code accepted with runtime of 32 ms, and here we submit the code. Here the runtime is 96 ms and memory uses are 14 MB. Thank you.